Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again.
Mary and I have known each other for just a little while. We date all the way back to high school. Can't believe how amazing she's grown her business and her team over the last 5 years, and our Flemington office continues to expand at an amazing rate.
Hi, I'm Karen Esposito, part of Alfonso Esposito mortgage team here at Guaranteed Rate Affinity. We are the preferred lender for Mary and her team here at the Luxe Group. We've worked with her for about 2 years, so if you have any mortgage needs, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help you.
How do I know Mary? I met Mary when we were just youngsters at the Regal Ridge Community Swimming Pool, and we spent years together getting to know each other.
Well, I know Mary because she did one of our rental houses. She rented it out for us after one of our realtors was not available anymore.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you for a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again.
So what made Mary different compared to other realtors was, I would definitely say she was the most personable from the first moment we met her. She was so inviting, made us feel comfortable throughout the entire process. As first-time homebuyers, everything was like a little bit nerve-wracking. Vince and I were kind of just unsure of the whole process, and she really helped ease us through the whole process, teach us, and genuinely just make us feel like part of the process and understand it the entire time. So we're really thankful for her.